Hi, I'm Craig Stevens with MarineMax in North Key Largo. And I want to show you this beautiful 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. They call this beautiful color here called Horizon Blue. And we're going to take a little walk, showing here the boat, and then we'll walk around back and I'll take you aboard. All right, we'll start out here. This boat is powered with twin V8 300 Mercury Verados. It's a newer model, and quieter, faster, more fuel efficient, and a fantastic motor. So let's come up with plenty of power. Okay, well, the claim to fame of this particular model is this one boat for everything. So you can entertain on the boat, fish from the boat, and just have the whole family out, the whole gang, get in the water and snorkel or dive or whatever, and just have and it's trailable. So it's a one boat for everything. So we'll start with this area back here with a rear facing seat. That also has, below it is a cooler, and it can be made into a live well. So it can be, there's a separate live well, which I'll show you in a sec, but this could be the second one. It also has this multifunction, which is this back of the seat right here, pulls towards you and becomes a surface for different type of, cutting bait or just entertaining or whatever you want to do with it. And this little space right here is for a cutting board to be put here to help you, if you need a cutting surface. Standard on this boat is what we call a boarding door or a dive door, and it will open here and swings inside. All right, and then there's a ladder stored inside the head area over there, which we'll show you when we get there. But it clips on right here, and this swings around as a grab rail. And as you come up, it comes up at like a staircase at an angle instead of straight up and down. So one of the big benefits of it is like for even pets can climb it because it's like that, or seniors. A lot of times seniors won't get in the water because they're afraid they can't get out, and this overcomes that. Now back here, there's a raw water and a freshwater washdown. Here's that live well I mentioned right here. Okay, nice big live well. And you'll notice the light blue color because that's actually supposed to be soothing to the bait, make them less reckless when they're in there. And then here, a little bolster that flips up and a rear seat that folds out. So if you look at this space, there is an option for a table that would go between them to use this as entertaining space with a table. There's also an option for a table up in the bow when we get there. You'll notice plenty of rod holders, okay, and then a cup holder, and then your docking lines go through here. Strong heavy-duty cleats down below. One more thing back here, a freshwater shower that pulls out. So if you come in through this ladder and then get in and out of the water, you want to rinse off the salt water off of you. You have a freshwater shower here. Okay. Which to those that fish is real important. Both sides, port and starboard, have a beautiful large fish box like that needs to be pumped out. Okay, the reason for that is that way it'll hold the ice all day long. Even if the ice melts, it's not going to leave the fish dry. So when you get back to the dock, you push the button and pump it over. Take a look at your helm seating. Okay, and let me slip by here and I'm going to show you something that's kind of nice. This is a real nice feature that for what we call vertically challenged. So if you look around here, Ashley, and you see this little step. So now you step up. Now anybody that's smaller or shorter or whatever can see a lot more around the boat, better visibility. Really simple little concept, but it really works. Here, this is what we call fold out trolling seats. So these will pull out of the side. You can sit here, watch your lines trolling, and be a part of the conversation, and even under some kind of shade. Let's go forward. Now, this is where all the women and kids all head straight forward to sit here, grab that seat. So take a look at this seat, pass through this way. All right, and you'll see how big it is. It also has comfort for armrests that flip out of each side over here and cup holders of their own. And then we've nicknamed this the garage because it's so big, and it's like the garage at home. It catches a little bit of everything. Everything you need to store, whatever, it catches it in there. You'll see these little poles that are here. That is for a forward shade that will take those poles and put them up in the rod holders in the front. Then it clips up on top of the hard top like this, and this area is completely covered in shade. Now this seating area right here, you open this, and under here is a forward cooler. So this is so that anybody up in the bow doesn't have to go all the way to the back to get ice or drinks. And then below is another. Now here on the floor is a forward fish box or storage compartment, but it is insulated in the event that you want to hold ice in it and treat it like a fish box. And again, we'll take this side. You'll notice a full glass windshield with electric vent opening right here to let some air in. Windshield wiper on it. These are the little clips I was talking about right here. This is where the forward shade clips on. And then if you come down here, this will swing open. And here's your head area with a sink. You'll notice also the ladder, I mentioned this right here. And if you face that way, Ashley, right there, you see those little slots? What that is if you use the garage area and you take some fishing rods and put them through there, they do come into the head area a little bit, but it'll allow you to store rods on board. And it is lockable. Outriggers, right here, just to pull down and swing out. And then again, back to the helm, something very important. It's equipped with your Mercury joystick feature, which will also come with autopilot and a skyhook feature where it will hold the boat in position with the press of a button. Okay, right now it's equipped with Mercury Vessel View 7, and then this area is for you to select your own electronics, and we can order your Garmin or Marine or anything else. Okay, overhead is your area for your life jackets to be stored. It will hold 6 adult life jackets. It just zips open, stuff them in, and good to go. Then that way everybody knows where they are in the event of emergency. All right. Thank you for taking a look. You can get a hold of us at the MarineMax at North Key Largo, 305-367-3969. You have a great day.